In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Excel using a formula. Mastering this skill will help you ensure that your data is formatted consistently, making your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional. Whether you're organizing finances, analyzing data, or simply trying to make your numbers more digestible, learning how to round numbers in Excel is an essential skill. To start, you need to be aware that Microsoft offers a version of Excel Online for free. This is a great tool for those who may not have the Microsoft Office suite installed on their computers. To access this free version, simply navigate to the official Microsoft 365 online page, where you can find Word, Excel, and PowerPoint available for use at no cost. This is a fantastic resource for those who are constantly on the go, or for anyone looking to work from different devices. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 online page, the next step is to sign in. This requires a Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, don't worry. Creating one is straightforward and it's also free. You'll be asked to type in your email and then click Next. This process is just like signing into any other online service. The interface is user-friendly and designed to guide you through each step smoothly. With your login successful, it's time to dive into Excel and start rounding those numbers. If you don't already have a spreadsheet to work on, you can easily create one or access an existing file from your OneDrive. For this tutorial, let's assume you're working on a spreadsheet dubbed the example.xlsx. Open your spreadsheet, and let's focus on the meat of today's lesson, rounding numbers. Imagine you have a column of numbers in cell C2 that you wish to round. Rounding can help when you're dealing with financial figures, statistics, or any data where precision to a certain decimal point isn't necessary. To round down a number, you're going to use a formula. Formulas in Excel start with an equal sign followed by a function name, and then the arguments for that function inside parentheses. Here's the formula you'll need: equal sign round down C2 0. This formula tells Excel to take the number in cell C2 and round it down to the nearest whole number. The 0 inches in the formula represents the number of decimal places to round to. If, for instance, you wanted to round the number to 2 decimal places, you would change the 0 to A2. After typing the formula, press enter, and you'll see the rounded number appear in the cell where you typed the formula. It's as simple as that. One thing to keep in mind is that the round down function always rounds numbers down. If you need to round to the nearest whole number, whether that's up or down, you would use the round function instead, which follows a similar structure. Here's a quick tip. Excel formulas can be copied to other cells. If you have a column of numbers you wish to round, you don't need to type the formula over and over again. Simply drag the fill handle, that's the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell with your formula. Drag it down across the cells you wish to apply the formula to, and Excel will do the rest. This is a massive time saver, and one of the many ways Excel helps streamline your workflow. In summary, rounding numbers in Excel is a fundamental skill that comes in handy in numerous situations. By utilizing the free version of Excel Online, you can practice and apply this skill anytime and from anywhere. Remember, the key formula for rounding down is equal sign round down C2 0. But don't forget, Excel boasts a variety of functions for rounding numbers, each serving different needs, whether it's round down, round, or round up. These functions are there to make your data more presentable and your calculations more accurate. I hope you found this guide helpful. With a bit of practice, you'll be rounding numbers in Excel like a pro. Remember, the more you experiment with Excel's functions, the more efficient and effective you'll become at managing your data. Have fun with it and happy rounding.